Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the password from a PDF file directly on your iPhone and save a new unlocked copy. But before we start, there is one very important thing guys. This video is strictly for educational purpose only. You should only use this method on PDF that you own or have proper permission to modify. Don't use it to bypass security on government document, certificate, bank statement, financial document, and especially legal document. And one more thing guys, you must already know the password. This is not a password cracking or password recovery method. As you can see guys, I have password protected file in my iPhone. When I try to open it, it asks me for the password. So for this tutorial, we are going to use dedicated PDF utility app. So first you need to download and install this application. Open the App Store. In the App Store here you need to search unlock PDF. Simply download and install this simple application and open this application. And here you can get this type of interface. Simply you need to select unlock option here. You can get some ad on this app. Tap on unlock. And then here it will open your files app. From here you need to select your password protected file. Select it and you need to enter the password once again. Okay, after entering the password, it will open your PDF file, and here you can get the share button. Just tap on it. So you can get some irritating ad in between, and then tap on view more option. Here you can get save to file option. Just select this and simply save your file. Now your unlocked PDF file was saved on your files app. Now you can close this app and open your files app, and now as you can see guys, the password from the PDF file was removed successfully, as you can see guys in my screen. That's how you can remove the password from a PDF file and unlock copy directly on your iPhone. Remember, this method is not for cracking or bypassing unknown password. Use it responsibly and only with document you are authorized to access and modify. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and for more useful iPhone, Android, Windows and everyday technology tutorials, subscribe to TECHiFY. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.